Your skin is your canvas, and it deserves the best care. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, where beauty meets self-care. Step 1. Cleansing. Wash away the day's impurities, revealing a fresh and vibrant complexion. For instance, you might try a mild, hydrating cleanser with ingredients like hyaluronic acid for that extra boost of moisture. Step 2. Exfoliating. Uncover your best self, removing dead skin cells and revealing a youthful glow. Consider an exfoliating scrub with gentle microbeads or natural exfoliants. It's your secret weapon against dead skin cells. Step 3. Moisturizing. Nourish your skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and SPF is a great choice. It keeps your skin hydrated and protected. Step 4. Sunscreen. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, preserving your youth and confidence. For sunscreen, choose a broad-spectrum, SPF 30 or higher product. Look for key ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for added protection. With the right skincare routine, you're not just taking care of your skin, you're embracing your best self. Remember, self-care is the first step to unstoppable confidence. There you have it, a simple and effective skincare routine with some fantastic product examples to keep your skin looking its best. Now go out there and embrace your day with confidence. Thanks for tuning in.